Hey guys, do you want to watch a movie with me this afternoon?
Oh sure, Scooby-Doo.
Oh, I do love that movie. Sorry I wasn't paying attention to you.
Alright, so let's take us getting something out. Alright, I found a movie. Alright,
And that's one of the Brazilian Backyardigans DVD. There's the Tasha one, Tasha Amel Mundo no Quintales. Mundo means world, but I don't know what it is.
yeah, alright, here we go.
Hey guys, don't watch it. What? Who said it?
Pocoyo?
Don't watch that. As it's got the scary logon logo. It's scary, trust me. Pocoyo, listen, the logo is not supposed to be any scary. Well, just watch it and see for yourself.
Fine. Alright.
Just put it now, guys.
Thank you for opening the DVD, Curious George.
You're welcome.
Alright, now let me check out the disc. And add them in the DVD player. Alright, let me go. Let's go to the next ticket.
Well, haven't you know there's a TV show, the PBS TV show called CNs? Oh, here we go. Yeah, CNs. So do I. Oh, well, there's a song, Help Out, by the Twins. Oh, and then yeah. And the Phantom Media. What's going on now? Oh, no. Oh my goodness. Told you guys. Oh.
My head feels very dizzy.
Oh. Yeah. Well, I guess good news, everybody. We're on. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Oh, you're so fun.
Here we go, everybody.